Hello everybody, it's me Jones OMJ here. Denver is one of the fastest growing cities in the US. Great job opportunities and easy access to beautiful nature make it a very attractive place for a lot of people. Due to this, more and more people will be traveling to and from the Denver area, increasing demand for air travel. Denver International Airport is the largest airport in the US by area, and is a great airport because of that since everything is spaced out well, allowing for a large amount of planes to taxi around at a time. However, capacity is starting to max out. To cope with this, the airport is undergoing a major expansion and renovation project to keep the airport up to date and offer plenty of capacity. This is Denver Airport's $770 million expansion project. Before we begin, make sure you are subscribed with the notification bell on so you can stay up to date on the latest architecture projects and statistics. I also have a little channel update. For those of you guys who have not seen my latest community post, you guys would have known that I have just purchased the Apple Pro Apps for Education bundle, which includes Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, Motion, Compressor, and MainStage. I can use this software to make my videos far more advanced than they are now, but it's going to take some time for me to learn everything I can do with this awesome software, so it'll be a little while till I upload my first video made in Final Cut Pro. For those guys who do not know, I currently use iMovie to edit my videos, and while it's great free software, now that I'm getting paid from YouTube, I figured now would be a great time to learn how I can improve my content and make it even better, and these apps will allow me to do so stay tuned as my content will be getting even better, and I'm super excited to learn more about this software and make better content for you guys. I'll be sure to let you know when I upload my first Final Cut Pro video, so make sure you stay tuned. Thank you, and back to the video. When looking at a satellite map of Denver International Airport and seeing how big and spread out it is, you might wonder how an airport could be built so big and spread out in a major city. Well, the answer is that it's actually not. Denver International Airport was built around 24 miles outside of downtown Denver, which is very far. While this may make it harder to get to and from the airport, this also allows the airport to be built so big and spread out, which helps dramatically ease congestion at the airport, something that many major airports in major cities struggle with. Denver International Airport opened on February 28, 1995, replacing Stapleton Airport, which was Denver's former airport. The first flight out of the new airport was United Airlines Flight 1062 to Kansas City International Airport. Denver International Airport originally had the code DVX, but it was later changed to DEN. Thanks to how spaced out the airport was, DEN was ranked first in major airports in the US for on-time arrivals in 2004, according to the FAA. United Airlines was the first airline to build a significant presence here, making Denver one of the major hubs and the primary connecting hub in the US. Southwest Airlines later came to the airport in 2006 and has since built a large presence there as well, becoming the second largest airline at the airport, only behind United. In 2015, the airport was connected to Denver by a commuter rail system, and a Westin hotel was constructed at the airport in 2016. Today, Denver remains one of the best airports in the US due to its clean and updated facilities and on-time arrivals, but as the region continues to grow and more airlines add flights out of Denver, the airport will need to expand. In 2018, work began on a major interior renovation and reconfiguration project, which relocated some of the TSA security checkpoints and updated and consolidated airline ticket counters. This will allow for the Great Hall at Denver International Airport to be used for its original intent before 9/11 security, a large commons area for airport patrons and visitors to enjoy. In addition to this, work is underway on expanding all three concourses, with 12 new gates being added to Concourse A, 11 new gates added to Concourse B, and 16 new gates added to Concourse C, for a total of 39 new gates. Following the completion of this project, United Airlines will lease 24 additional gates in both Concourses A and B, as well as build a new United Club in Concourse A and expand their existing clubs in Concourse B. Southwest Airlines will lease 16 of the new gates in Concourse C. When both the ongoing terminal and concourse projects are completed, the airport will be able to handle upwards of 90 million annual passengers. This expansion project will complete by 2025. Here are some renderings of the project. Overall, I think it looks really nice, and definitely keeps with the simple yet elegant theme throughout the rest of the airport. In conclusion, Denver is one of the fastest growing cities in the United States. Great job opportunities and easy access to beautiful nature attract a lot of people to the city each year. To keep up with the growing needs of the public, Denver International Airport is increasing its capacity as airlines add more flights. Be sure to let me know what you think of Denver Airport's expansion project down in the comments below. Do you like it or dislike it, and why? Thanks a lot for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.